Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
INCUR. INCUR means become subject to something unwelcome or unpleasant as result of one's own behavior or actions. For example, I will pay any expenses incurred. I will pay any expenses incurred. Synonyms: suffer, sustain, experience.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The colleges concerned have to incur extra expense and inconvenience. Now, repeat after me. The colleges concerned have to incur extra expense and inconvenience. The second exempli. Babysitting expenses incurred are to be paid by the parent incurring them. Now, repeat after me. Babysitting expenses incurred are to be paid by the parent incurring them. The third exempli. This could be achieved by swapping capacity without incurring any additional expense. Now, repeat after me. This could be achieved by swapping capacity without incurring any additional expense.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word bookkeeper, along with its associate bookkeeping, is the only unhyphenated English word with 3 consecutive double letters. Other such words, like sweet-toothed, require a hyphen to be readily readable.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.